This is a keycap. This is also a keycap. And this is also a keycap. They all fit onto a mechanical keyboard. But what's the difference between these three keycaps? Well, obviously one's a number and the other's a spacebar. But when you flip it over and look at the bottom, you see that they all have stems or mounts at the back. These allow you to physically press down on the mechanical switch. But the spacebar has 3 of these mounts. So what are these for? Well, these are for stabilizers. See, some keys are way too long for one single switch to support. And you need stabilizers so they don't rock like this on the spacebar. Each keyboard stabilizer has 3 parts: the metal wire, the stem, and the housing. The stem attaches to the keycap and fits inside the housing. The wire then snaps into place inside the housing. On a keycap, the stem slides up and down smoothly, which supports the keycap on both sides. Keys like Shift, the spacebar, Enter, and Backspace all use stabilizers. This is to ensure an optimal and smooth typing experience. Without stabilizers, the key would feel unstable and very uncomfortable to type on. Bad stabilizers can make your keyboard sound absolutely disgusting, with lots of rattling and ticking. While good stabilizers can make your keyboard sound super thocky, just like heaven. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap out stabilizers and replace them with new ones. For this demonstration, I'll be using Jwick plate mount stabilizers as they offer a consistent and clean sound profile while performing exceptionally well for the price, costing just a few dollars off of Taobao. Start by removing your keycap and switch with your keycap and switch puller. If you have foam wedged inside your plate, you should remove that too. Then use a screwdriver or similar tool to push in on the tabs shown in the red circles, which releases the lock and allows you to pry out the stabilizer. To install the new stabilizers, just tuck the metal wire under the plate and apply pressure to the housing on both sides to secure them down in place. Now just put everything back. Here's a quick before and after comparison. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to continue to enhance your stabilizers, I have a video about lubing them too.